I'm Anil Kumar, and in this series we have taken up some test questions which will help you to get excellent marks. Question here is, sketch graph of a function that fits the requirement for given domain and range. Write equation to represent your graph. Domain is x belongs to real numbers and range is y belongs to real numbers, where y is greater than equal to -1 and less than equal to 0. So as you can see here, we have a function which has no restriction on the domain but has restrictions on range. What could be that function? Think about it. So there is no restriction on domain. However, range could be maximum 0 and minimum, let us say, -4. The only function which fits into this situation is the sinusoidal function, right? So that is the function which fits into this situation, right? So we could draw like this. So that function has no restriction on domain, it's all real numbers. And as far as the range is concerned, it is now between 0 and -4, right? So that is the function which meets the requirement. Now the second part is how to write equations. So we know it's a sine function. So easy way here is we can use translation and vertical stretch, since the amplitude has increased. So the amplitude for this sine function now is 2, right? So from the axis, this is the axis which is y equals to -2, you go up 2 units, correct? And down also 2 units. So the amplitude is 2, and that suggests that the function f of x could be written as 2 times sine x, which has been translated 2 units down, so -2, right? So we say -2. You get an idea. So this function will have domain of all real numbers and range between -4 and 0. So that is how you can get equation also for the graph. I hope that really helps. Thank you and all the best.